First up, the modern minimalist kitchen. This style is all about clean lines, simplicity, and functionality. The cabinets often feature flat panels and handle-free designs, creating a sleek and uncluttered look. For its key features, they have streamlined and functional storage solutions. In terms of sleek cabinets, they have sleek cabinets in the modern kitchen that are flat panels or slab-style cabinets without any ornate details or decorations. Other than that, they have some neutral colors. They typically use a neutral color palette with shades like black, white, grey or beige. Bold colors might be used as accents. Furthermore, the minimalist hardware. Cabinets, handles and pulls are usually simple with straight lines and a sleek finish, like stainless steel and brushed nickel. Last but not least, the clean countertops and functional lighting. In terms of clean countertops are usually made of materials like quartz, granite, or concrete with a smooth and polished surface. For the functional lighting style, modern kitchen style use a mix of task lighting like under the cabinet lights and ambient lighting, for example the recessed ceiling lights, to ensure that the space is well lit and functional. Next, we have the rustic farmhouse kitchen. This style brings a cozy, inviting feelings with its use of natural materials and vintage-inspired elements. Look for shaker-style cabinets, open shelving, and warm wood tones. The key features are, firstly, the natural materials. Farmhouse kitchens often use natural materials like wood and stone. You will often see wooden cabinets with butcher block countertops and stone or brick backsplashes. Other than that, the special shaker cabinets. The cabinets usually have a simple, classic design known as shaker style with clean lines and a timeless look. Furthermore, the neutral and warm colors. The color choice is usually neutral with whites, creams, and soft grays complemented by warm tone like brown and green. Other than that, the vintage accents. Antique or vintage style hardware, fixtures, and accessories add character to this kind of rustic farmhouse kitchen. Think of rustic light features, vintage style faucets, and old-fashioned handles. Last but not least, of course, the cozy decorations. Farmhouse kitchens often include homey, decorative elements like woven baskets, ceramic jars, and fresh flowers or greenery. So, when it comes to the European kitchen style, let's explore the elegance of European kitchen style. This design emphasizes sleek, minimalist aesthetic with a strong focus on functionality. Look for frameless cabinets, integrated appliances with a traditional looks, and a blend of modern and traditional elements. The key features are, firstly, the blend of modern and traditional elements. You will be able to see the mixtures of modern style and traditional classic looks in the European style kitchen. For example, some modern sleek panel pair with hinges and colors that are traditional and classic. Secondly, the efficient use of space. Clever storage solutions like pull-out shelves, deep drawers, and built-in organizers will be used to maximize the space. Furthermore, again, the neutral colors and natural light. This indicates that the use of neutral colors palettes, often with white, grays, and natural wood tones, and large windows to let in the plenty of natural light. Last but not least, the efficient workflow. The layout is designed to optimize the workflow with careful considerations of the kitchen work triangle. This indicates the relationship between the sink, stove, and refrigerator. Finally, the last kitchen style, which is the industrial kitchen style. This kitchen style inspired by commercial kitchens and industrial spaces. This style features raw materials and exposed elements, things like stainless steel, concrete, and metal finishes. So, for its first key features, the raw materials. The exposed brick walls, concrete floors, and visible pipes and ductwork are common features. They use the raw material and unfinished materials like reclaimed wood, metal, and concrete to decorate the kitchen. Secondly, the metallic elements. Stainless steel appliances, metal shelving, and metal-like features are integral parts of the industrial kitchens. Metal surfaces often have a matte or brush finish rather than a high gloss. Last but not least, the open layout. An open floor plan with plenty of space is typical in the industrial kitchen style, often combining the kitchen with living and dining areas. They have high ceilings and contributing to the spacious feel. To add on the robust and heavy-duty fixtures, they have large professional-grade appliances and robust fixtures that can withstand a lot of heavy use. Sinks are often deep and made of stainless steel or other durable materials. We also have excellent carpentry for our kitchen cabinets and countertops, especially for the customization and innovation that are becoming more and more popular in the current era. Firstly, we offer dedicated cabinet consultant to accompany your journey of buying your own ideal kitchen cabinet and countertops. Secondly, we also go to further as finance your personal ideal kitchen cabinet. We offer 24 months of installments with 0% of interest. Last but not least, you will be given up to 3 times of free 3D drawings, and this is because we want to ensure that our craftsmanship, our customized kitchen cabinet and countertops will eventually meet your needs and desire according to your own household. Finally, remember to visit us at Taman Gaya to lock down the price now with us, as the price of renovation costs are keep increasing due to the supply chain and the economy of Malaysia. Act now.